Welcome back to Real Life Made Simple. If you are looking for a quick and easy meal with little ingredients, please continue to watch and I will show you how I put all of these ingredients and made something super good. Okay, you guys, first things first, you clean your chicken. So I clean my chicken with some vinegar and I let it sit for a little while. And then after that, I went on ahead and I started seasoning my chicken. You season your chicken with whatever you feel that fits your taste buds, but I put the seasonings that I wanted. So I put a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, herbal seasoning, chicken seasoning, some sesame, and whatever seasonings you feel you need or want. That's the type of seasoning that you use. There is no limit for me to what type of seasoning you can season your meat with. Whatever you prefer, that's what I recommend that you do. So I also added some bell peppers, some red peppers, and some onions to give it that extra flavor while it's cooking in the oven. So I just added that in there and then I mixed everything together. I mixed it very well so it can have all of the seasonings on the vegetables and on top of the chicken. I also decided to add some potatoes in here, so I cut up maybe a half a bag of some red potatoes and some golden potatoes, and I put a few in there, and it actually turned out really good, you guys. So I didn't show you guys me putting some chicken broth in the bottom of the pan before I put it in the oven. So I ended up doing that. So now I am pouring off the juices from the chicken, and I am going to add 2 gravy chicken packets inside of this. And I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to pour it back over the chicken and I'm going to throw it back in the oven so the chicken gravy can just thicken up into like a thick gravy consistency, okay? Dear my love, 君を感じている今がとても愛しい Dear my love, 君と生きるためにここにいるから Dear my君はどこにいるの君が So guys, this is how this chicken turned out. It was really good. It is super easy to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try it. It's really simple, not very many ingredients, and I hope you guys come back and look at more of my cooking videos, cleaning videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Bye.